Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from Qangelabeauty on Amazon and it comes with 2 wig caps. The wig is a Brazilian deep wave 13x4 lace front. It's 20 inches and 180% density. The hair has a nice shine to it and is really soft and thick. The ends look pretty full as well. And the wig sort of smells like hair chemicals and perfume. The lace color is a light brown and the wig has some baby hairs. On the inside of the wig is 3 combs towards the top, adjustable straps at the bottom, another comb, and more lace. And here is the wig turned inside out. Then I wet the hair using this water bottle. And I used this Evolve brush to brush out the hair. Next, I sprayed this Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker spray on the hair and worked it throughout the wig. Lastly, I applied this wig and weave mousse throughout the hair as well. And the hair didn't shed much while I was wetting and applying product to it, so that's good. I also decided to do a middle part on this wig so that I could curve the part and make it look like it goes back further. Now I have the wig on and I've already cut the lace. I use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Color is 360. And I brushed it onto my part and around the edges of the wig to get the lace to blend better with my skin tone. And to glue the front of the wig down, I used this Got2b glued spray and their ultra glued gel. I also used this Style Factor edge booster and an edge brush to create some baby hairs. Lastly, I applied this She Is Balm hair wax stick to really get my hair to lay flat. And then I tied my edges down with this small scarf. And I tied the rest of my wig down with the larger scarf. So guys, I think my hair turned out really pretty and the top of my hair is flat as well. And the curls look good and are defined even though they're a bit frizzy. I also think I did better than usual with my edges. And this is the other side of my edges. I'm constantly trying to improve on them. And as you can see, the wig is full, thick, and bouncy. But let me know what you guys thought of this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other styles you want to see from me or what other videos you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching.